Okay, hello everyone. We're going to do another Rod's Random Reviews on the Hydro Floss WaterPik, basically, is what we're talking about here. So with the COVID-19 thing going on, you have not been able to go to the dentist, correct? So here I am at home, and I have been doing the WaterPik I'm going to do this one-handed here, but I like to put warm water in this thing. So I've already heated the water up a little bit. I'm going to show you how I go about doing it. So warm water is best. I'm going to touch it. Yeah, it's just a little bit warm. Then what I do is put a little Listerine or something in there. Just, you know, a little dab will do you. And go with that. But you know, with, like I said, you haven't been able to get your teeth cleaned lately. You haven't been able to go to the dentist. And dental flossing, you know, I do that every day. That does a good job. But, you know, I can dental floss. You know, I just hope this doesn't sound gross to everyone, but I can dental floss and I can work my teeth good. And I'll be dadgum if I don't put on the Hydro Floss. And I still seem to get some stuff, you know, going on. So I'm gonna try to turn this on one-handed. We'll see how this goes here. But anyway, I really enjoy this Hydro Floss. I don't use it enough, but with, like I said, since I've had to cancel my dentist appointment twice now for cleaning, I have been using this maybe three times a week. And I just flip these switches on and lean over the sink here and really floss, you know, with my on the top of my gums, on my teeth, and the back of the gums as well. So the top area there, and go around it real good and finish up, and there you go. But this will never work. I'm not going to try it, folks. I'm not going to try it. But hopefully you enjoyed Rod's Random Reviews. That's kind of how I go about. I leave it up, cranked up, you know, pretty high here as far as the intensity. Turn it on. Make sure you're leaning over the sink. Keep your mouth open. But the tricks of the trade: warm water, so you don't hurt any of your teeth. Warm water, and then you know, a little bit of Listerine or something like that. So keep your teeth clean. The dentist will be open soon. It's kind of hard to wear a mask and get your teeth clean. Take care, everybody. Bye now.